Our team has successfully completed all the user stories for Sprint 2. Our first story required the user to be able to update events from the user interface, and so we can just go to the Events tab, and we have a couple tabs up here that we created, and so the user is able to create an event by going to the Create Event tab and clicking New, and they can fill out the information and press confirm when they're done, and it will show up on the list of events. The second user story required the user to be able to delete events when necessary, and so if you go back to the Create Events tab, you can go over to this drop down and you can either click Edit, and you can edit these fields such as name, date, time, and end. And you can also delete the same event when necessary. Our third user story required the board member to be able to record their attendance at an event. So if you go to the Record Attendance tab, the user is able to go to New, and they have to know the event ID and their member ID before they are able to record their event, and they are able to choose yes or no for will attend, as well as input the number of attending, and it will populate in this table. And our fourth user story required the board member to be able to update their attendance when they need to, which is similar to updating an event. You go to the drop down, you can click Edit, and you can edit the will attend and number attending fields. And the last user story required the user to be able to view a list of events, and so our first tab up here says View Events, and any events that are created will show up in this list view for the users to be able to see.